Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Google Maps so you can enjoy a sleek, eye-friendly interface, especially at night. Go to the Google Maps app on your device. Make sure your internet connection is active and your location services are turned on for the best results. Once the main map screen loads, you can search for locations, get directions, or explore nearby places. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your Google account profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open up all the app's preferences. Scroll down to find App Settings or Display options depending on your version. Tap it and you'll see a theme option. Open the theme menu and select Always in Dark Mode. This will immediately switch Google Maps to dark mode, reducing eye strain and giving your map interface a stylish look. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.